In this video, I promise you guys that I will show you how you can cash out your money from the Brown app site. If you have not signed up, use the link on the screen to sign up. Now, what you want to do is that you are going to come to your dashboard. So you can see dashboard here. So you are going to come here. So we are going to go to cash out. Now on cash out, you are going to see payment method not set. They have not withdrawn. Okay, I cannot withdraw yet because I have not gotten up to $100. You can only withdraw once you get to $100, but I would advise, it's just an advice, wait till you get up to, let's say, $300-$400 before you withdraw, but it is up to you. Now, what is the payment method? How can you withdraw? So we are going to click here. Right now, you can either use PayPal email, cash tag, Venmo number, Bitcoin wallet or address. So look at it. You can even use Opay. Are you seeing it? You can use Opay. That's for us in Nigeria. So Opay is the simplest method. So I'm going to click on use Opay as the payment method to receive the money. So you add Opay. So when you put your Opay account number, right? You put your Opay account number. So I'm going to type in my own Opay account number. You can use it to also say thank you. You can send me tithes and offering to say thank you for opening my eyes to this site. This year now, not a shame. So this is my own Opay account. So I'm just going to add payment method. So that is it. I've added my payment method. I'm going to be collecting my money through Opay. So once we hit the threshold, I'm going to come and do a video to show you guys so that you can see how it works. Okay, it is very simple. If you want to use another payment method, maybe you want to use I don't even suggest any of this from PayPal or those other ones because you have to change it. The other one I can suggest is Bitcoin. If you want to use Bitcoin, I'm going to show you how you can get an easy Bitcoin wallet that you can use to also collect your money. But in order to avoid story here, story there, just use your Opay. If you don't have Opay account, I will do a video on how you can set up your Opay account. Just need your phone number. All right, and like I said, let me say it. You see this my Opay number here, you can use it to say thank you. Send me some small thing for showing you, for opening the way for you, for preparing Christmas money for you this Christmas to cash out. Okay, it is very simple. All right, like this video. If you have not joined the Brown app, if you have not started cashing out from Brown app, oh yeah, look at the link in the screen, in the description box, in the pinned comment, everywhere. Start earning your own money. All right, get as much people to sign up. All right, and take advantage of it while it is still hot. They say it's when something is hot you take advantage. Don't sleep. If you snooze, you lose. You understand? If you snooze, you lose. Like I said, don't hurry and withdraw your money. Wait, get to $500, $600. Let it be something substantial before you withdraw, because you know it is 14 days. Let me just say it. After you get to the threshold, you cannot just withdraw the money immediately. We have to wait for like 14 days before the money will enter your account. So before you hurry and say let me just withdraw, wait, let the money let it gather. You understand? Gather it. Let the money gather, then you will now withdraw, so that when the money is entering your account, it's not just small money that will enter I'm saying it to come pay your tithe. Oh yes, my 10% from that your first earning, pay it. Because if Topisco Plus did not open your eye, you will not know it. Everybody, they are charging money for this thing that I'm telling you people now for free. They are charging money. I know people that are charging money. So anything at all nine bad, say thank you. Don't be an ungrateful person. Say thank you Topisco Plus for showing us this thing. And if you want more tutorials, let me know. It is how you people show your appreciation that will ginger me to say let me come and give you people for free, because they are charging for this thing that I just did for you people, simple like this. They are charging. They will not show you how to do this thing. But you know, we just want everybody to have Christmas money. We just want everybody to be happy. We want everybody that you will end this year on a high note. And use your money well, oh. Don't use your money to do nonsense. Don't use your money to do rubbish, okay? All right. And also let me also say this: don't buy followers so because all these platforms, they can tell when you are buying followers. Don't buy followers. Tell people, invite people. Who is interested will be interested, who is not interested, you leave them, okay? Just talk about it and do your best the way you can. All right, thank you so much, guys. Yes, I'm going to leave if you have any questions, ask in the comment section. If you want me to do a video on any other platform, just come to my Instagram and say Topisco. I'm going to put my Instagram and TikTok link in the. If you want to share your testimony that you watch this thing on Topisco channel and you earn your money, just send me a message on what's it called, on Instagram or TikTok. So I will send you how you can send me your testimony videos, okay? Yes. So like I said, you can send us message on Instagram if you want to. Like you hear of a platform and they are hiding is their coding, just tell me. I will find this for you and come and explain it, okay? All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember to like this video. Yes, if you are not yet subscribe so that I'll be bringing more ogbonge updates for my community members, okay? More ogbonge updates for my community members, so that this more people can, because let me just tell you people, some people will be like, oh, why are you telling people? The more people come in, the more you will make money. Yes, anybody that signs up, you will get a percentage of what they sign up. So don't worry, don't be afraid. The only thing I would just say is that strike while it is hot. Strike while it is hot. Strike while it is hot. And don't also leave your money for too long. Don't leave your money for too long, because on some other platforms that have introduced people to in the past, that they will leave their money and the thing will now, you know how these things used to work. So when you see your money, carry your money. A bird in hand is worth more than two in the bush. So collect your money. The only thing I'm just saying is that let the money be bulky before you collect it. But collect your money, all right? Collect your money, fast, collect it. Let it enter your Nigerian account. Thank God Opay is here, so you can use your Opay. You receive it, you laugh, you dance. As you are receiving it, see my Opay number here. Send me my tithes. Okay, let me end this video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.